In his presentation at Wednesday's plenary, Senator Opeyemi Bamidele emphasized that the Senate has assumed legislative powers for Rivers State due to the ongoing state of emergency. Senator Bamidele highlighted that the budget aims to ensure smooth government operations under the emergency governance structure, promoting inclusive growth and improving residents' living standards.
This budget is specifically for the emergency rule government of Rivers State, aimed at providing essential services such as 1. Infrastructure development, over 324 billion naira allocated for road projects and public transportation upgrades.
During the debates, lawmakers stressed the urgency of legislating the budget to enable the people of Rivers State to feel government's presence, noting its importance under the state of emergency.
This document before us is something that a lot of effort has been put into it to ensure that the people of Rivers State can continue to feel the presence of governance in the state.
The request contains the source of funds that are going to be utilized to fund the activities as outlined in the request.
With no opposition raised, Senate President Gospel Akpabio passed the budget by voice vote and referred it to the Ad-Hoc Committee on overseeing the Rivers State Emergency Rule for further review and oversight.
Special Ad-Hoc Committee to supervise the activities of the interim administrator of Rivers State and to revert to the Senate in 2 weeks.
From Abuja, Charity Tanko, ITV News.